In today's video, I will walk you through how to hide a layer in AutoCAD. To begin, go to the ribbon at the top of the AutoCAD interface and select the Home tab. Within the Home tab, locate the Layers section and click Layer Properties. A new tab will open, displaying all the layers in your drawing. Here, you'll see a list of the layers you've created, along with information such as whether each layer is on, frozen, or locked. Next, find the specific layer you want to hide. For this example, we'll use Layer 1. Beside Layer 1, you'll see a light bulb icon. This icon controls the visibility of the layer. When the bulb is turned on, the layer is visible in the drawing. To hide the layer, simply click the light bulb icon. The bulb will turn off, indicating that the layer is now hidden from view. Alternatively, you can freeze the layer. To do this, click the Freeze option for the layer. Freezing the layer removes it from AutoCAD's drawing database. Unlike simply hiding a layer, freezing it can also improve performance when working with complex drawings. Hiding a layer keeps it within the drawing database, while freezing it removes the layer from the active drawing database until it is thawed again. And that's how to hide a layer in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.